Hi guys, my name is Andrew. I would like to talk in this video about Use Your Ear course by Leonardo and some of my previous experiences with tries to develop relative pitch. So, a few words about myself. I'm a musician. I've been playing guitar for probably 17, 18 years now, but my relative pitch has always been undeveloped, so I've never been able to play music by ear. The only way for me to learn a song was to just use tablature or notation. And at first I picked the interval method, which didn't really get me anywhere. I've been trying to, develop this hearing of intervals using the songs, the beginning of a famous song, to, for example, memorize the sound of the perfect fourth. And I was hoping to apply this skill to real life situation, but the point is it's not applicable in real life situations. You can only hear the interval out of context, and when it's played, when you hear it in a different song, it sounds different. You don't recognize it, so you can't basically utilize this method. The other thing I tried was just transcribing the songs by ear without any particular strategy. Yeah, basically I heard this advice. Actually, a lot of people will just tell you this: if you want to develop your relative pitch, just transcribe songs by ear. First, it might be slowly. It might take you several hours or maybe several days to just transcribe a simple song, but little by little you will improve. And I think this approach is very, gives you a lot of struggle, gives you a lot of frustration, because you really don't have a strategy how to do this. All the people say is just do it, and they don't give you the strategy how to do this. So I think the course, which is designed by Leonardo, gives you exactly this. It gives you a very clear path to how to develop essential skills needed to hear melodies of the songs, harmonies of the songs, using your relative pitch. One thing that I have already developed, I think, quite well after doing this course for probably 4 months is this basic concept, that Leonardo is talking also in his promotional video, the key colors, the colors of the scale degrees. And I can assure everyone that if you follow the exercises like I did, you will be able to hear those colors quite quickly. That is what happened to me. So right now, basically, if I establish the sensation of the key, for example, if I establish the sensation of C major, I can recall out of memory each degree, each scale degree of this key, and it's really great. I mean, I'm really impressed with the results that I'm having right now, and I'm only at the beginning of the course. There is a lot more that you will learn, like hearing also each chord within the key, really understanding the unique sensation, the unique color that this chord has. There are exercises, and I'm already feeling the potential Maybe I'm not even I'm not there yet with chords, but I'm really feeling the improvement when it comes to hearing each chord of the degree of the scale, each chord of the key as unique sensation. So yeah, definitely try out this course. I think it's a great way to develop your relative pitch. So good luck and goodbye, everyone.